Here we are with unboxing of Smart XE gimbal. So this is a gimbal from company Aochuan. If you can see this, it has so many features in it. For example, 3-axis stabilization, holder with magnetic patch, and then we have zoom and focus, 3 shooting modes, smart app, and then easy fold. So these are some features of this gimbal from Aochuan and Smart XE. So let's start it and unbox this product. We will need an opener like this. Open the plastic first like this. The box quality is nice, which really does not matter, but actually the packaging tells the whole story of the product. The packaging is good, the product also comes out good as well. So let's push this out like this. Oh, another box inside. So let's put this aside and then open this. Master sleep always leads. Wow. Aochuan. Let's open this also. My nails are very small, so I will not do like this. We'll use this tool. Oh, so another foam inside. It's a nice foam. Most of the cameras also coming like this kind of packaging, like Canon, Nikon, like this. Okay, this is the tripod stand. It's nice. It has rubber on the tip. Manage according to your need, like this. Okay, so let's begin with the gimbal. Okay, how to take this out? Oh, it's heavy. Feels quality material used. Okay, so this is something for focus, I think, and this is zoom in, zoom out. This one for rotating, and this is, I think, power, and then this is record. Yes, and then we have charging port here. This actually for this one. Yes, the material feels very nice, although it is not rubber coated, but quality is still good. Okay, let's try to open this. Oh, let's remove. Oh, there is one charging cable as well. Let's put this there, and then there is manual close the box, put this also aside, and then will there be any charging in this? Let's try this. Oh yes, there is charging inside, but not much. I think the battery is low. So I think we will need to charge it a bit, but I think it is moving. Okay, let's charge it and then we can check this. So let's finish this unboxing. I hope this unboxing will help those who wants to know about this product, what kind of material this company is providing to the customers. This has a rubber coating, very nice grip. The material is nice, solid, and it is showing one charging mark for the battery. And then like this we can use this, but there is no charging inside, I think. Okay, thank you for watching, and let's charge this and then we will make another video for the usage of this gimbal. Bye bye.